Actually, nung bago ako sa ABS-CBN, it was my first Star Magic Ball that I attended. Tapos, I was in a party with our late Sir Deo, Coco Martin, bago sila nagsuntukan. Tapos, nakilala sa akin si Kim nung time na yan. Kasama ko, usap ko si Kim, nagsusuntukan na.
Talagang meron talagang sparks.
So, yun yung first na pagkikita.
So, ito na lang ang tanong ko. I'm sorry to cut you off there, but didiretsuhin ka na. Nung una mo makita si Kim, anong pakiramdam mo? Anong naramdaman mo? Sabi mo, oh, by the way, this is Kim. Wow. Ate, kalma.
Ako nakagawan kasi siya. So parang syempre pag ayos na ayos yung babae, nakikita mo talaga na napakaganda ng ni Kim. Yun na. Tapos hindi kami masyado nakapag-usap kasi may nagsunod kami. So nagkagulo.
Talagang nag-distract kayo doon. Pero let's cut the story short. Ganito na lang. Ano ang nakita mo kay Kim? Na hindi mo nakita sa akin?
Everything!
Ano nakita mo kay Kim?
Maliban sa guwapa ka. Ano talaga siya eh, iba yung charm niya when it comes to people. She's like a magnet for people with their energy. Parang siyang magnet talaga. Not just for us in the industry, most especially for people watching her. Especially if you watch her is here in person. Parang namamagnet ka talaga because she always overperforms and aside from that, she's genuine also. She has this certain charm and magnet that just attracts everyone when she's on stage.
Pero alam mo, totoo yan. She really has that good aura, a very positive energy that she has in her.
One of
Diba?
the time!
Ha?
One of the
O,
time!
ikaw na. Ano namang masasabi mo sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik sa inyo ni Kim?
Yes, maraming salamat. I'm very grateful. I worked with him 4 years ago for Linda. It was an expected team up, last minute actually. That Kim was casted for Linda, and I'm happy that she was casted. And if you watch Linda, hindi siya sweet na story. It's not a sweet story. Medyo it's about
Not the typical.
I forgot the term. Anong kabit sa Tagalog sa English?
Kabit?
Mistress!
Mistress?
Hindi, kabit-kabitan.
Istik-istik.
I forgot the term. But yeah, and that's when everything started. And it's because of you guys. I was casted for What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, then came Ali Balay, the movie, and another one coming hopefully this year.
At syempre, siguradong susuporta kayo doon, right?
Yes!
And Pao, without further ado, I'm gonna give you the honors, of course,
Yes! Alam nyo, ang kilig nararamdaman din yan sa mga taong sobrang talented kasi mapapawaw ka hindi lang sa ganda, kundi sa talent niya. And I know, someone who brings so much joy, energy, and light hindi lang sa stage, kundi sa bawat taong nanonood sa kanya. And tonight, she's about to show you why she continues to shine brighter every single time for 20 years and counting. So Redwood City, are you ready to be amazed?
Yes!
Please welcome the one and only Kim